Tuxedo Touch with voice control. It includes so many great features that you can use to enhance your lifestyle. Tuxedo Touch with Voice lets you use your own voice to operate the system. Let's say you're waking up and you want to have the kitchen lights turned on and the temperature raised in your home. Just say, "Hello, Tuxedo."
Hello, please say your command.
Wake up.
Processing wake up command.
And the system does the work for you. If you have cameras installed with your system, you can talk to Tuxedo to see what's going on. Just say, "Hello, Tuxedo."
Hello, please say your command.
Cameras.
Processing cameras command.
And right on the Tuxedo screen, you'll see the cameras around your house. You can also view your cameras on your Google TV. Please remember to say, "Hello, Tuxedo," before every command, so that Tuxedo